Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how we can enable sleep mode on Facebook. So for example, launch your Facebook application, get logged into your account, and then tap onto your profile. From here, select three-bar icon, expand settings and privacy, and access settings. Now in this section, what you have to do is, under preferences, you will see time management. Go ahead, open it, and you will see sleep mode. Tap onto it. Let's go ahead, turn it on. And as you do that, you can either choose a custom time or some dates. For example, Sunday, your start time will be something like this. Set it. And end time will be something like this. Once I've done that, you can also customize it for any other days that you are seeing here. Select save. And once done, as you can see, my sleep mode is turned on and this is my time. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.